Hi everyone, and welcome to the first official week of Intro to 3D. My name is Kelly and I will be your professor for the course. I'm going to go ahead and just take you through a couple of things for week 1 and get you comfortable with how I teach the course and give you some information on the assignments. Okay, so if this is your first course with me, realistically what you will see from me every week will be an announcement. You will always see it if you click under the announcements weekly. This is kind of the standard for Liberty, but mine are kind of important because you will also get a video walkthrough like you are getting right now. A lot of times in the videos, I will be watering down information or asking for less thumbnails. So it's definitely important that you watch them so you don't end up doing, like, instead of 60 thumbnails, I'll ask for 5, or I'll always kind of change up course material as I go. So try to make sure you watch it so that you're doing my course versus the default course, because I kind of change things up when I take over a course. So this week is a little bit lighter than most. You're just getting into the class, just getting used to the textbook readings and such. So you'll see my announcement and video is a little bit lighter than usual. Under the module information for the week, you can check out everything that we're doing. Like I mentioned, it is a lighter week. It's just an introduction to what we'll be doing in 3D design. So the first thing that you'll notice is just a quick walkthrough. You'll be just reading chapter 6 in the course textbook and watching a 3D design video. You'll notice in this video, it is not me. This is the general course introduction to 3D design, and then, I always do my own professor thing. So this has more in-depth information on, what is 3D design, how you'll be approaching it in the course. Under the apply section this week, you just have a quiz. The quiz will be over the readings specifically, so if you click on the quiz, you'll be able to see what specifically it's covering. Covers the textbook material from Module 1. So that's what you're going to need to make sure that you're ready to take. Okay. Pretty light week. So also in the announcements area, I'm giving you a couple of links that are just more personal to me. Like if you've read through my bio, I'm a graphic design professor. So I'll be teaching a lot of this stuff from my own perspective on top of like the course material. So I'm giving you a couple of extra bonus links this week. Like one of my more fine arts graphic designers that I like, his name is Oded Ezer. And this link specifically is to one of the pieces that inspired me when I first started out in design. He does a lot of work with like Hebrew lettering. So this is one of his pieces. He basically printed it out on a poster board and then specifically went in and started cutting out some of the lettering and making it look like it's coming off the page. So this is actually just a photograph of the letters. And you can see, again, he wanted to look like a lot of movement. If you scroll up in the link, you'll notice some updates to the work as he continues to kind of work on his own process and such. You can look through the rest of his website as well. He's got some pretty awesome stuff. Also, Edward Arushka, he does a lot with like actual just drawings and things of lettering. I found a really good 4-minute video on his process and how he kind of approaches design that I thought you would benefit from, and then another one that's just kind of informational and also inspirational. It's great to have these things get you kind of excited to be jumping into the class. So that's what we'll be doing this week. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and have a great first week.